It's Saturday already. I planned this weekend all week. Sorry, Amelia. I can't meet today. Maybe next time. Oh, okay. I was really waiting for this. Why do plans always change? What do I do now? With the whole day?
Good morning, Amelia. You're quiet today.
Yeah. Emma canceled our plans.
Oh, I'm sorry, sweetheart.
It's okay. I guess I'm used to it.
That doesn't mean it doesn't hurt.
I just feel small today.
Come sit with me. Weekends don't have to be perfect. They just have to be yours.
Mine.
Yes, you don't need permission to enjoy your life.
But what if I don't know how? Just a short walk.
Hi, how can I help you?
I'm just looking.
Take your time.
I almost didn't come in.
I'm glad you did.
Maybe small steps still count.
Okay, Amelia. Can you read this sentence?
I'll try. Sorry, my bad.
That's okay. Try again.
I enjoy my weekends, even when I'm alone.
Very good, Amelia.
I didn't stop this time. What else have I been afraid to try?
How was your day?
Different, but good.
I can see it in your eyes.
I went out
alone. I
I
spoke
spoke
English.
English.
I didn't
I didn't
hide.
hide.
That takes courage.
I think I'm starting to believe that. Maybe this weekend is changing me. This is my weekend routine now. I wake up. I feel sad sometimes, but I still show up. I don't need a perfect plan. I just need myself. Small courage can change a whole weekend.